The process of getting a dental implant starts with drilling small holes in your gums to create space for the implants. Then, screws are inserted into these holes and covered, followed by stitching the gums. This marks the healing period, which typically lasts between 3 to 6 months. During this time, regular checkups with your dentist ensure everything is healing properly. The healing phase is crucial, as it allows the bone to integrate with the implant securely. Once this period is over, the next step involves taking impressions of your teeth. A dental lab uses specialized tools to create a model of your mouth. Based on this model, a custom-made implant is designed to fit perfectly. Finally, the implant is securely placed in your mouth, ensuring a natural look and feel. After the procedure, you can check your bite and admire your beautiful, natural-looking smile.